Hey guys, how's it going today? Today I just want to do a quick review on the ProTeam Backpack Vacuum. Now I should mention that I actually found a pretty good deal on this unit, and I'll put a link in the description below so you guys can check that deal out. So this is a commercial quality backpack vacuum cleaner that works really well. ProTeam designed this thing exceptionally well for its speed and its lightness. What I mean by speed is the motor is very quick and it will clean hard floors, carpets, upholstery, everything like that very quickly and efficiently. The suction on this thing is great. And the ergonomics on the backpack, it's very lightweight and it feels very comfortable. It's something you can wear for a long time. It's got a nice long cord on it too, so you can pretty much go everywhere without having to re-plug in your vac all the time, which is very nice. It's also worth mentioning how quiet this unit is too. I believe it maxes out around 60 decibels, which is super quiet for vacuum cleaner. So it's nice for going around buildings where, workplaces where meetings or things may be going on and you need to clean the other room while those things are happening. It comes with all the accessories you need. It has a telescoping wand on it, a floor tool, obviously, crevice tool, upholstery tool, and a dusting brush as well. And it does come with 2 bags, and the bags work really good. They filter down to 1 micron, which is even more efficient than a HEPA filter. And the suction on this thing is great. It's got a 1200 watt 10 amp motor, which is very powerful for a unit like this. But all in all, it's great. I really like it a lot. And if you guys have any questions about it or anything like that, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day. Hey guys, how's it going today? Today I just want to do a quick review on the ProTeam Backpack Vacuum. Now I should mention that I actually found a pretty good deal on this unit, and I'll put a link in the description below so you guys can check